Hey, today I'm doing another finger food classic, which would be cheddar ranch chicken strips. If you notice, this is like a little different setup. You know, usually I stand at my counter, you know, where I prep the food, and, and I film and I do everything there. This time I'm trying to do something different, set it up on a table, get me some props. I'm really just trying to find myself, find my identity, with the channel. And I ask that everybody watch this video, tell me, leave a comment, a suggestion, or something. So, if you've been watching some of my previous videos, take a look at those, come on back, and then let me know how you like this setup. And I promise you, this is gonna grow. You know what, I really have a passion for this cooking. Can't wait to get to the grill. And listen, I gotta clear this up, and I'll say this in about every 3 or 4 videos. So, without no further ado, let's get right into it. Cheddar ranch chicken strips.